Imagine a future where cancer, one of the most feared diseases of our time, is no longer a death sentence, but a manageable condition. Could AI be the game changer? The battle with cancer has always been a challenging one. But what if the answers we've been searching for lie not in traditional medical practices, but in the realm of artificial intelligence? Enter generative AI. This revolutionary technology is paving the way for accelerated drug development, analyzing vast data sets of chemical compounds and clinical outcomes to create more effective treatments. The future of cancer treatment might very well rest in the hands of artificial intelligence. Generative AI tools weren't born overnight. They are the result of years of technological advancements and innovations. The inception of generative AI marked a new era in technology, initially finding its applications in fields such as art, music, and design. It was the ability of these tools to generate new content that made them revolutionary. But as the technology matured, a gradual shift began to take place. The focus started moving towards sectors that could benefit more profoundly from the power of generative AI, and healthcare, particularly medical research, became a prime candidate. One such noteworthy example is Ensemble's Emily, a generative AI tool that has been making waves in the medical field. Emily isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's dramatically accelerating drug development by analyzing vast datasets of chemical compounds and clinical outcomes. It is these vast datasets that hold the key to unlocking new treatments and therapies, the sheer volume of which would be impossible to analyze effectively without the help of AI. With its ability to analyze vast datasets of chemical compounds and clinical outcomes, generative AI has opened new doors in the fight against cancer. The application of generative AI in cancer treatment is not a far-off dream. It's happening as we speak. Generative AI tools are making waves in the medical field, particularly in the realm of cancer treatment. One such tool is Ensemble's Emily, a revolutionary platform that's accelerating drug development like never before. Emily works by analyzing vast datasets of chemical compounds and clinical outcomes. It's like having a superpowered microscope that can scrutinize millions of data points in a blink. This tool was instrumental in creating an immunotherapy drug that specifically targets a protein called PRAME in cancer cells. It's a bit like a guided missile, honing in on the enemy while leaving everything else untouched. The beauty of this approach is that it enhances the body's immune response to cancer while minimizing side effects. Picture it this way. Instead of dropping a nuclear bomb on the body and hoping the cancer cells get wiped out along with everything else, this treatment is more like a sniper, taking out the bad guys one by one. This breakthrough paves the way for what we call personalized medicine. It's a whole new way of thinking about treatment, where therapies are tailored to the individual's unique genetic makeup and health profile. It's not one size fits all anymore. It's bespoke healthcare, and the potential for further collaboration in the field is huge. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are ethical considerations to be addressed, like bias in training data and issues around data privacy. These are challenges we must face head-on with transparency and robust ethical frameworks. Yet despite these hurdles, the future looks bright. The integration of generative AI in drug discovery holds promise for faster development of innovative treatments and reduced costs. Imagine a world where groundbreaking therapies are not only available, but affordable, where a cancer diagnosis is no longer the terrifying prospect it once was. That's the world we're striving for. And with generative AI, it's a future that's within our reach. So, where does this leave us in the battle against cancer, you may wonder? Well, let's circle back to the key points we have discussed and see how the promise of artificial intelligence might reshape the future of cancer treatment. Firstly, we've seen that generative AI tools, such as Ensemble's Emily, are accelerating drug development by analyzing vast datasets of chemical compounds and clinical outcomes. This process, which would take humans years to complete, is accomplished in a fraction of the time, potentially bringing life-saving drugs to patients much faster. Secondly, these AI tools are paving the way for personalized medicine. By targeting specific proteins in cancer cells, like PRAME, they aim to enhance the body's immune response while minimizing side effects. This could mean treatments tailored to individual patients, radically improving their chances of survival. Thirdly, The integration of AI in drug discovery could significantly reduce costs. Faster development of innovative treatments means less time and money spent on research, making these treatments more accessible to those who need them. However, we must also remember that with great potential comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations, such as bias in training data and data privacy, need to be addressed to ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible and fair for all. The fight against cancer is far from over, but with the help of generative AI, we may be closer to a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence. As we continue to explore and innovate, we can look forward to a future where AI plays a central role in our battle against this formidable disease.